Hi everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own mask that you don't have to sew. A no-sew mask. This should only take you about 10 minutes to make, and the things that you have to make it, you may already have around your house. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need fabric, cotton, or a t-shirt, a pillowcase would work, or just any type of fabric. Some rubber bands. You need 4 rubber bands, and an iron. That's it. So let me show you. This is what it looks like. It has a curved side. It acts like a cup, so it protects your mouth and your chin. It covers everything, so that way, and it hooks around your ears. You can make whatever colors you want and make it more fun. So let me show you how to make this. You need to cut a piece of fabric, 18 by 8. Wash it first, and then you're going to take your iron and you're going to fold in and press these seams in so it looks like this. Press in the sides so it flaps. Okay. Then you're going to take a rubber band, 2 rubber bands. You're going to take your fabric and you're going to cinch it like this. Okay. You take your rubber band and you're going to wrap around like this as many times as you can. And cinch it like this. So do it on both sides so it looks like this. Then you actually have like a cup. Now you can adjust this to any size you want to make sure it fits your mouth. I do about 10 inches between each one, but do what makes you feel comfortable. Then you take a rubber band on each side, put it in loose, because this is what's going to hook around your ears. And because it's cinched, these folded in pieces are going to hook around this piece of fabric. You just fold it in like this. I'll show you. See how this fabric just hooks in? And then you do it on both sides. Do it on both sides like that. Take another rubber band on the other side. Fold it in. You can cut a little bit of excess of this if you want, but you don't want to cut too much because you want it to be able to lock in place. And then you just fold it in, and it's done, and it looks like this. Now you can do it with cotton t-shirt as well. It's not as sturdy, it doesn't have the form like this, but it's very soft. You can do the same thing, and it holds in place. And when you're done with this, you're supposed to wash them every time you wear them, after you wear them. So you can take all the rubber bands off, wash it, and then just start all over again. That's it. It's very easy. But if you have any questions, just contact me, and I will be happy to help. Good luck, and be safe. Thanks. Bye.